Hello everyone, myself Lohit Dalal, lecturer, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belgavi. Today I am going to discuss unit number 3, registers and counters. In this session, I am going to discuss realization of higher mod counters, order mod counters, list of counter ICs, and study of configuring the ICs 7490 as a decade counter. Okay, so realization of high mod counters using the low mod counters. See here, the counter is a circuit that can be combined to increase the both the modulus of the counter sequences and the frequency divisions. Okay, you can see that how to build the mod 16 counter using the mod 2 counter. Here mod 2 counters are cascaded by routing the output of one stage into the clock input of the next stage. The overall modulus of the counter is equal to the modulus of the individual stage multiplied by the here overall modulus of the counter individual stage multiplied by together will get the 16. Okay, so mod 2 counters are cascaded. Okay, in order to get the now mod 16 counter means here 4 mod 2 counters are taken, means will get the 16. Suppose you want to take the decade counter. Okay, so best example is 7490 IC. Okay, counter circuit which is cascading the in order to obtain the decade counter is found by cascading what mod 2 counters with the mod 5 counters. Okay, 2 into 5 will get 10. Okay, best example of the in order to design the mod 10 counter. Okay, you will get cascading the 5 number of mod 2 counters and counter. Okay, so if you want to design mod 20 okay counter, you are using the 7490. Okay, 2 decade 7490 ICs are taken. Okay, so 7490 is the best example. Okay, so that is about all about the realization of the higher order mod counters using the lower order mod counters. Okay, using mod 2 counter you can is mod 5 counters. Okay, with the mod 5 counter, okay, final modulus will get mod 10. Okay, means 10 counter decade counter will get. Okay, so list of ICs. Okay, so 7468 and 749. Okay, for dual 4-bit decade counter. 7469 is a dual 4-bit binary counter. 7490 is a decade counter. 7493 is a 4-bit binary counter. 74160 is a synchronous 4-bit, and 74161 is the synchronous 4-bit binary counter with a synchronous. So 74168 synchronous 4-bit counter, down counter. Okay, so synchronous 4-bit up or down decade counter 74169, and 74190 is a synchronous up or down decade counter will be there. 74191 synchronous up down counter, down and binary counters will be there. 74192 is the synchronous up or down decade counter with the clear. 74193 is the synchronous up or down counter binary counter with the clear options will be there. Okay, so in this session we have discussed realization of higher order mod counters using the lower order mod counters. Okay, and also ICs, list of ICs, and the configuration of the 7490 using the decade counters. Okay, we have discussed. Okay, thank you.